In this video, I will show you how to enable fingerprint in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that, scroll down. Then go to security and privacy option. After that, scroll down a bit. Then go to screen lock and biometrics. Then draw your current pin or pattern. After that, go to fingerprints option. So just tap on add fingerprint option to create a new fingerprint. Now you have to place your finger on the fingerprint sensor and lift it up for several times. So just do it. You can see it's almost done and it's complete. Then just tap on done and you can see fingerprint has been added successfully. After add the fingerprint, you have to just enable fingerprint unlock option from here and it's done. And that is how you can enable fingerprint in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.